I'm Mrs. Ehlke, and I'm here with my son,
Aaron.
Aaron. How old are you, Aaron?
8.
8. And today, Aaron and I are going to paint a football jersey like this one.
Of Aaron Jones.
Of Aaron Jones from the Green Bay Packers. You can make it whatever jersey you would like. Enjoy! Alright, I have Aaron here, and we are going to paint a jersey, okay? We're starting off with a flat brush, and we're going to use some white paint, so get some white paint on your brush. And the first thing I'm going to make is a box, okay? I'm going to start kind of in the middle of my paper, and I'm going to make a square. And I'm going to fill the square in with white. Covered. It's a nice solid white square. This is going to be a football jersey because Aaron's big into football.
Play all the time.
So that's what he asked to paint. Okay? Let's see if you can get all of the parts of your square filled in. With the white paint. Step is going to be to add a V that sits on top of the box. Okay, so through a V on the top, like so. And then I'm going to make some lines that go out of the box like this. This is where the sleeves are for the arms. And I'm going to connect the V with those lines. So I'm going to use my white and I'm going to make a nice curved line to connect those two lines together, okay, on both sides. And you know, this is football, so you can give it nice puffy sleeves there to fit all the football pads. And then we're going to fill those in with white too. Looks like a football jersey.
Yeah.
All filled in.
Next.
Alright, now we're going to add some details, and we're big Packer fans, so we're going to go ahead with some yellow first, and I'm just going to leave the white on my brush. But I'm going to add a little bit of yellow, and this time I'm going to use just kind of the tip of my brush, and I'm going to make a yellow line that floats above the V, so it doesn't touch the V, it's like hovering above it. My yellow line there, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom of the sleeves. I'm going to make a yellow line that's kind of floating under the sleeves. So if you like a different football team, you can add their colors. We are a Packer household, so we're going to add green and gold. Those are hovering below. Alright. I'm just using the tip of the brush. Try to get a nice clean line. The next thing I'm going to do is go into my green paint, and this time I'm going to draw a line using the end of my brush in between the yellow and the white with the green.
Is it fun if you paint over the yellow?
Try not to paint over the yellow because we do want the yellow to show too.
And I need a little more yellow.
That's okay.
Because look at it.
Oh yeah, it's pretty light. You can always add some at the end. All right, and now we're doing the same thing on the sleeves. You see how I'm adding some green on the sleeves too?
Okay.
So I've got green on both sections. All right, and then we're gonna switch to a different brush that's a little bit smaller to do the jersey part. I'll give you that. And we're gonna get the green, and Aaron says he wants to do number 33.
Aaron Rodgers.
Okay, which is Aaron Jones, right?
Aaron Jones.
To do the 33, I'm going to make a line right here and a line right here. So it kind of looks like the number 11. And then I'm going to make them look like backwards E's first. Like so. And then I'll make them a little fatter. So I start off with just kind of the basic line drawing of the letters. And then I'm going to go back in and kind of make them a little bit wider so that they look a little bit more like football letters. Yep, the football numbers. So now see if you can go back in and make them a little bit fatter so that the people can see them when they're playing on the field.
I've always wanted to be a football player.
There you go.
And a basketball and baseball. But today we're not paying that stuff.
One at a time, right? You'll have to do basketball or baseball next.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm getting all of the little sections of my letters nice and thick. If you want to, you could add a little outline. Maybe we'll do this because the paper's so light. I'm gonna get green and I'm just gonna outline the rest of my jersey with green because it'll stand out on the paper a little bit better.
Like everything?
So I'm just going around the white parts with my brush to outline the green jersey.
I'm definitely going to need to add some more yellow.
Yeah, the yellow's hard to see, huh?
Yeah.
It's hard to see on the white paper. That's okay.
Yeah. Don't make the green ones kind of thick.
You can if you want. It's in your picture.
You're the artist.
You're the artist of your page.
How do you do that?
Okay, some more yellow if you want some more yellow.
Okay.
All right, here's some more yellow if you need to add any more yellow on your yellow parts. There you go. Down there. And it blends with the green if you're not careful. That wet paint. That's okay. All right. All set?
So is this 33?
That's 33.
Okay.
All set. Nice work.